Ano ba paraan ngayon para doon sa mga gusto ho na madala na si Senator Bato sa ICC? Ano bang pinakamabilis na paraan na maaring gawin ng gobyerno? Ano po sa hinihingi ng mga senador na local warrant ang kanila daw pong bibigyan po ng honor o itatangkilikin. Yung sinabi niyong salitang may, ito ang depensa ng mga abogado ni Senator Bato, no? Yung ang mga provision na sinasabi, no, in the interest of the justice, the relevant Philippine authorities may dispense, no? Meron din po dito po sa section po na sinasabi, no, may surrender or extradite suspected or accused persons, etc. May. Yan daw pong salitang yan ay sabi nga po sa inyo mga abogado ay permissive word. Kung may,
Permissive.
pwede rin pong may not. No? At saka wala daw po kasing legal procedural framework na sinasabi, kumbaga wala naman tong implementing rules. Paano mo ito patutupad yan? Ano ang guidelines dyan? Wala naman daw klaro. Ano yung take doon, attorney?
Well, you know, remember that the court is part of one branch of the government, and that the executive is one. And the executive is the one at the moment tasked to implement the ICC warrant. Now, but if you read the law, as we were discussing in its entirety, malinaw na what as I said, I refer to as what I refer to as primary jurisdiction, nasa courts of the country that has custody of the person in question, the subject of the warrant.
So, si Senator Bato nasa Pilipinas, so sa Philippine courts, kumbaga, attorney.
Well, yes, theoretically, but as I said, we do not know how the executive will move. And what I think this is the position that will be taken by, I don't know if the DILG Secretary, the Secretary of Justice, and even the Office of the President, that we will be surrendering Senator Bato to the ICC for further prosecution of the cases or cases filed against him before that court.
Okay. Ano po ang inyong kaisipan naman doon sa sinasabi ng DILG sa kanilang statement kahapon na ang PNP daw po ay kikilos na at makikipagtulungan para mahuli si Senator Bato kung Interpol arrest warrant ito. O kumbaga Interpol na daw po ang hihingi sa kanila ng tulong para po arestuhin si Senador Bato. Yan po ang kahapon na statement eh.
Ang kasing Interpol, the limited knowledge that I have, I have of it, Ted, no? Yung kasing yan yung tinatawag na may pag-i-issue ng red notice supposedly. And then whether or not they can effect an arrest within, say, in our jurisdiction, within the Philippines, is another issue. What will be the basis? Their base will still be the ICC warrant, which is actually the subject of the provision that we have been discussing all along.
Sino po kaya ang tamang otoridad? Sino ho? Kalihim ng DOJ, Prosecutor General, CIDG ba, NBI ba ang lalapit sa local regional trial court para po hingiin yung local arrest warrant?
Well, apparently, if I heard you right, as you were quoting the director of the NBI, they will abide by the counsel or the advice of the Prosecutor General. And then therefore, I would like to think, for practical intents and purposes naman, that the Prosecutor General will consult, of course, seek the guidance of the Secretary of Justice. Pero remember before, joint effort yung kay pag-arrest kay PRRD, no? Kay President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Kasi nandun ang NBI, nandun ang DOJ, nandun ang DILG. Meron pang isa doon na I think dating chief of the armed forces
Mhm.
of the Philippines.
Mhm.
So hindi natin matansya kung ano yung magiging galaw nila. But I think it will be if we follow what happened in the case of the former President Rodrigo Duterte, baka joint effort din ganun ang gawin nila. So, kung ako naman gusto kong magsigurado para wala namang problema so that the Senate will honor it and anybody will therefore honor it, pumunta ka na sa korte. Hindi naman siguro magtatagal yan eh. Summary, maaaring maging summary lang yung, yung proceedings. Pero, of course, summary as it may be, alam naman natin yung possible delay that may attend the
Okay.
proceedings.
Opo, opo.
So, baka mapatagal pa kahit papano. And there is reason to say that because of the pending petition filed by Senator De La Rosa through Attorney Torion
in
with the Supreme
in the Supreme Court.
Mga kapatid, patuloy po kayong tumutok sa 105.9 True FM para sa totoong balita, impormasyon, music and entertainment. Mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel at podcast at sundan nyo kami sa Facebook, Instagram, X at TikTok sa True Network PH. Bisitahin din po ang aming official website, truefm.ph. At panoorin din kami sa True TV Signal, Channel 19. Kami po ang 105.9 True FM. Laging true sa'yo, kapatid.